Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which replaces a character C1 with C2 and C2 with C1 in a string S. First, let us take some examples. For the first input, C1 equal to E and C2 equal to R. So, them get replaced in the output. Next, let us have a look at the algorithm. We take a sample string grrks and we suppose that we have to replace R with E. So, we pass S C1 and C2 to replace function. Now, in the replace function, we take an integer L which will store the length of S, which is 5. Next, we run a for loop from 0 to L to traverse the string. So, first I will be 0 and S at 0 is character G. Since S at I is not C1, that is E, the if condition does not get satisfied. And as S of I is not equal to R, which is C2, the else if condition does not get satisfied as well, and we continue with the for loop. Now I will be 1 and S of 1 is R. Now as R is not equal to E, we go to the else if part, and since R is equal to C2, the else if part gets satisfied and we set S of 1 to C1. Now I will be 2 and the same will happen for S of 2. Then I will be 3 and S of 3 is K. The if or the else if condition does not get satisfied, and then I will be 4 and S of I is S. Again, the if or the else if condition does not get satisfied, and we have traversed in the string, so we come out of the for loop and return S to the main function and print it. So this is the final output. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.